Welcome to this section. My name is Deepak Singh. In this section, I am going to talk about event binding. So let's start. To allow user to provide their response, we can use event binding. We have multiple types of event and we can bind them to functions such as click, mouse over, mouse out, mouse down, double click, drag, key up, key down, etc. In this video, we are going to see two most commonly used events, click and key down. So, I am going to use Visual Studio Code. And in our template, here I am creating a label. Please enter your text. Now line break BR, input type text, again BR, output from component. So let's discuss the first one, click event. So for this example, I will use click inside the parentheses. This will be equals to on click. Here we pass the event using $sign and event. Now let's define this event inside our component. Now here our function on click and e, and we have a property wall. Now inside our function, this wall would be equal to e.target.value, and I will use interpolation to show this in DOM. So in our template, wall in double curly braces. Now let's see this in action. Here I am typing welcome and clicking left mouse button on this text box, and the output is welcome. Next, we will see second event, key down. So I will replace click with key down and function name will be on key down in this template file. Now it shall listen for key down events. Now I will create the function on key down with e. Inside this function, we have a condition e.which. I am using this method to know which key was pressed. This condition would be tested for 13, as this is the key code of enter key, and this dot wall is equal to e.target.value. So whenever we enter some value in our text box and press enter, that will be shown on DOM via string interpolation. That's it for now. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, as I will keep uploading best content as much as possible. Thank you for watching.